Yeah, so the business opportunity that we promoting is they have three packages. They have the gold, platinum, and titanium. Those are the three packages that we have to offer, and each side of those different packages have like different levels and different discounts and different bonuses that you can pick and choose from. But no matter what you pick and choose, it's definitely a savings. It's a savings on your pocketbook. You can save a lot of money. There's members who join this company and saving thousands of dollars per year on their bills. I won't say all their bills, but the majority of their bills, like the basic bills, like the internet cable, what else? The car insurance and phone bill. So if you want to save money, and while you saving money, you can also earn money because there's an income stream attached to that as well. You know, take a look at the business opportunity. The link would be at the bottom of the description. All right, bye.